Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are going to explore the importance of legal and regulatory considerations in event planning and management as outlined in ISO 20001-1, the international standard for sustainable event management. Compliance with relevant laws, regulations and industry standards is essential for organizing events that are safe, responsible and legally compliant. Let's delve into how ISO 20001-1 addresses legal and regulatory considerations for events. Health and safety regulations. Ensuring the health and safety of event attendees, staff, and participants is paramount. Event organizers must comply with health and safety regulations such as venue safety standards, emergency preparedness requirements, and crowd management protocols to mitigate risks and prevent accidents or injuries. Permits and licenses. Obtaining the necessary permits and licenses is essential for hosting events legally and responsibly. Event organizers should identify and obtain permits required by local authorities such as event permits, liquor license, noise permits and permits for temporary structures to ensure compliance with legal requirements and avoid potential fines or penalties. Accessibility standards. Ensuring accessibility for individuals with disabilities is a legal requirement in many jurisdictions. Event organizers should comply with accessibility standards and regulations such as the Americans with Disabilities Act ADA in the United States or similar legislation in other countries to provide equal access to event facilities, services and accommodations for all attendees. Environmental regulations. Complying with environmental regulations is essential for minimizing environmental impact and preventing pollution during events. Event organizers should adhere to environmental laws and regulations governing waste management, water usage, energy efficiency, air quality, and other environmental aspects to ensure compliance and promote sustainability. Benefits of compliance. Compliance with legal and regulatory requirements offers numerous benefits, minimizing legal risks and liabilities, enhancing safety and security for event attendees and staff, building trust and credibility with regulatory authorities and stakeholders, avoiding fines, penalties, and legal disputes, demonstrating commitment to responsible and ethical business practices. In conclusion, legal and regulatory compliance is a fundamental aspect of event planning and management, ensuring safety, responsibility, and legality throughout the event life cycle. By adhering to the legal and regulatory considerations outlined in ISO 20001-1, event organizers can minimize risks, enhance safety and security, and create events that are safe, responsible, and legally compliant. Thank you for your attention, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.